Alright, just turned her on here. And it's doing its thing. Gonna see if we can find some bubbles. I think this is the fridge side. I think this is the freezer and this is the fridge. I haven't torn into it deep enough to figure out which one. I'm pretty sure this goes to the fridge. This one's warm here. This one's not. So since this one's warm, the freezer is gonna be evaporator is gonna be getting chilly. Yeah. You can see we've already got. Lick your finger and it'll stick right there. So this is the freezer evaporator. That's gonna start over the next 10-15 minutes. That'll get white with ice, and we've got to wait a little while before it gets to the fridge evaporator coil, maybe 20 minutes. I could force it through the cycle to make it do the fridge evaporator. It's got a little cheat sheet on the back of the refrigerator. Tells you what the codes are. Anyways, our problem can tell you all the codes at once. It ain't gonna tell you to peel up the back of the refrigerator wall and find corroded coils. Let's see here. Yeah, it's definitely getting hot. Yeah, this is definitely the freezer side here, and then the fridge side's gonna kick on here. 10, 15, 20 minutes, who knows? It'll come on sometime soon. When it does, I'll start recording and I'll put some of this gas leak detector. I actually think this is made for well, no, I guess it is made for, that's how I said it came. I use it for dryers. Check for gas leak on a dryer. On the gas line, does work pretty well. But it works well on refrigerators too. Guess they have multiple uses. Alright, we'll check back later once we start to try to chill down the refrigerator coil.